Today we'll be doing an assembly of an RBS system using the new cord roll support. The first step is to put the cord roll support into the rail. Make sure that it's oriented correctly depending on your setup. Once inserted, pull the cord roll support into place using the string, and then repeat this step for any additional cord roll supports that you have. And again, make sure the orientation is correct. If you feel that you're having difficulty inserting the cord roll support, lift up on the end, and then it slides in smoothly. Now once you have all the cord roll supports inside of the rail, we're going to insert the aluminum rod. Slide the aluminum rod through the cord roll supports, and then once through, leave it hanging out the other side so you can attach your clutch. Attach the clutch, and then slide it into the rail. At this point, you can attach the end cap to the open end of the rail. Now slide the cord roll supports into the correct locations, and then turn the knob on top to secure them into place. Now, use a small tool to push down the gray tabs on top of the cord roll supports. This unlocks them and allows them to spin freely. Now, we'll want to secure the clutch and attach the chain. So screw down the clutch with the included screw, and then remove the screw from the end of the clutch. This reveals a wheel, so you'll take your chain, wrap the chain around the wheel. Now put the cover back on and then screw it into place. Your clutch will include 2 more screws that are not shown in this demonstration. And now we're all done, and this is an assembly of an RBS system with the new cord roll support.